up, guys? I'm back with a brand new video. So in today's video, I'm going to be in the Slime RNG admin abuse, and I already just know it's gonna be crazy as always. Because the last admin abuse I was in, yeah, that was so crazy. Oh my god. I'm gonna put on my face cam for this. Give me a second. Okay, now my face cam is on. Oh my god. But yeah. It's 30 seconds more. No, 20 seconds more. This is insane. Also, I'm also eating at the same time. Because I'm hungry. I didn't eat for days. I just woke up. Okay. First admin we spin is, I see some dices. I see some dices, but I want some luck. Luck or jackpot spin, because I have 3.6 million luck. Oh, luck 10x. I'm gonna have 30 million luck, right? Yeah, 36 million luck. Holy! No, I need to spin some dices. Luck boost. Okay, nice. We got some luck boost, y'all. I'm a bit sick too at the same time. Oh, low speed 3x. What is my low speed gonna be? Oh my god. My low speed is 0.6. No. Okay, nice. Next spin is a big dice, okay. Guys, I'm back. Oh my god, wait. This man named Cold, he's my friend, he just bought Silver Luck. My luck is 100 million. Holy. My luck is 100 million. I can't believe it. My luck is 100 million. I am going to crash out. Oh my god. I wish I also had Robux. Oh my god, my luck is 100 million. My luck is actually 100 million. I can't believe it. I just can't believe it. Ah! Oh my god. Okay, what's next? Oh my god, it's jackpot. If we get jackpot, I'm gonna be so... Oh! We're getting jackpot. We got jackpot. Jackpot spin with 100 million luck. Let's see what we get. Bang! Oh my god! Holy! So much trillions! 100! Oh my god! 1 in 3 trillion, but those are 1 in 100 trillion. It's fine. You know what? It's fine. Because that makes my base. Woo! Speed this lightning fruit. This nice, dude. Nice. Oh my god! I think I just got a free one. I honestly think I just got a free one, and oh, shiny waxy, 1 in 12 trillion. Holy! Oh my god, I love this admin abuse. This admin abuse is the best admin abuse on me. You're getting a sword food. Oh my god! And I just got another free one. Holy! Oh my god, 200 trillion. I just need 200 trillion. I got a motto. Wait, use my food? What do you mean use my food? Oh, wait, feeding us. Use all my food. Okay, I'll be back and it's gonna go crazy. Guys, this is actually insane. Look at all what we're having over here. Oh my god, jackpot. Oh, I think no, so food. I still have 100 million luck. Still, but the luck's about to run out. Oh, this is so food. Oh my god, I love this admin abuse. I love this admin abuse so much. Let's go. This is oh my god, wait, we got a Zoomy. A Zoomy's new. It will make our index like a lot. Whoa, this is insane. I'm gonna pause back again for better stuff. Oh my god, guys, my luck is 64x. Now I have 500 million luck. I have 500 million luck. Holy, 500 million luck. 500 million luck. Let's go. 500 million luck. 500 million luck. 500 million luck. 500 million luck. We need a jackpot spin right now. We need a jackpot spin right now. Right now. Right now. We need a jackpot spin immediately. But it's only one. Come on. Come on. Guys, we have clover luck. We have clover luck. We have clover luck. Watch this. 2x, 4x, 8x, 60. No, 60. Oh my god, double 2x, double 4x, double 8x, double 16x, double 32x. Oh my god. Oh, that's crazy. Oh my lord. Pommy. Ooh, this is insane. Yo, this is insane. This is insane. Let's go. This is insane. Oh my god, more clovers. Yo. Gosh. Oh my god, this is insane. Oh, jackpot! I got jackpot! Bonus! Oh, 78 million. This is a quarter. This is 800 trillion! And we're not gonna hit it. Floppy. 1 trillion. Hopefully that makes my base. Does it? And yes, it does. Woo! This is insane. Someone got 1 in 206 trillion. Holy! Oh my god. Ooh, this is insane. Oh, alright. Leaf wants to see another septillion. Nah, I'll be back. Okay, we're back. We just got 3x luck. You can see 3x low columns. You can see everything on the side. Oh my god, how did we get 4? How did we just get 4? Like how? How is that even possible? Okay, what do we get? There's no jackpots. I don't like this. We got a huge dice. Yeah, we got a huge dice. Okay, this better be good. Huge is something really bad. Oh, never mind. Something really good. Oh my god, it's gonna be insane. It's a 1. Oh my god, huge black hole. Yo, that is not even in my base. Doesn't even go in my base. Come on, man. Now index, ooh, it's good. Okay, next we get, feeding XP 4x, sorry. Someone almost got a 1 septillion. No way. Okay, use all my food, let's go. Let's collect the loot. Collect those. I'm gonna... Oh my god, it was a jackpot spin, but our luck is also good. Our luck is 100 million. Our luck is 100 million. Yeah. Dude, our luck is 100 million. That's insane. Okay, we just got an ice fruit, which is really bad. Oh my god. This is so far. This admin abuse is the gold. This admin abuse is so good. I would have got some new good stuff. Oh my god, this guy's almost leveled up. Oh my god. Plus, I also just recently realized there's now percentages. Like, look, here there's some percentages. I don't know why, but oh wait, there's 200 1 trillion, 1.07 trillion. And we got low speed forks. Holy, what do we? Oh, 0.50. Oh, 0.50. Oh my god. They're so fast. Yeah, the things are actually so fast. Holy. Alright, he just did an X spin. I see something with 100x. It's Clover 100x. And we don't. Jackpot! Let's go. What do we get? Watch this. Bang! Woo! If we oh, come on, Jeremy. Come on. Yo, this is literally my server, but this is the global. Look, this is only my server, and so it's so much. Oh, we got 62 million up. Oh, hey, dude, how do you have a 230 million? And how do you have a quadrillion? 12 quadrillion. Alright. Oh my god. Wait. Hold on. Wait, did I just see we have 100 quintillion? Did I just get 100 quintillion? Well, I'm gonna have to look at the video when I upload it. Coin 6x. Oh no, this is 100 quadrillion. I need to get some stuff. I need to get some people. Alright, my top place I was in the Mushroom Village. Dude, this admin abuse is insane. I can't believe it. Okay, and we got a shiny dice. Whoa. Let's go. Shiny dice. What a shiny dice will give us. Oh my god. Guys, I was too focused on the spins that I didn't even know what shiny I got. Oh, low count +1. Come on, give us a jackpot. I'll get 2 things on jackpot. I want a jackpot. Oh my god, we just got doubles. Okay. No. Oh, okay. No, come on. Wait, I actually didn't even realize the vent here. I hope we could go into this vent. That would be cool. And you know what's also cool? If we get a jackpot spin, right? That would be cool. And of course we don't. We got a big dice. Okay, what do we get from the big? We get something super bad. Both. Oh, that 4x. Oh! Okay. Come on, man. Come on. Okay, it's been a few. And look at what we have here. I have 60 million luck. This sort of big thing. We got another. Oh my god. I wish we could get better stuff from here. Like instead of an admin abuse pin, we could just get something else. Spawn something. Oh, luck 50. Oh my god. Oh, luck is at 200 million. Holy. Okay, we really need a jackpot spin. Guys, we're back. We got some low columns +1. No, I'm not playing Kiko Lucky Block. Who plays Kiko Lucky Block? But anyways, yeah, look how much we're getting. This is insane. Oh my god, wait. What happened when my camera? Hold on, wait, I'll fix it back. Hold on, wait. Oh my god. Okay, my camera's back now. Okay. We got 200 quadrillion. We need 250 quintillion though. took a long time. This is really gonna be really good. It's gonna be really good. Hey, what do we get? 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 All eyes on you, and we got a big guy. So come on. Oh, never mind. No, come on. But it's a really bad one. Is it Palmy? Oh no, it's a big ember. Do we have that? Probably yeah. Big ember. Yeah. What did I say? Let's just check up here. No. Yeah. Come on. This model here. I want something better than the squash. Okay. 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 Look and jackpot. Cause that's what he said. So that's what he said. Let's do it. Let's go. So we're back. Yeah. So okay. Let's go. I want a few more spins. No. Come on. I see one jackpot, and we are not going to hit the jackpot. We are not going to hit the jackpot. We're not going to hit the jackpot. But we are going to hit 32x left. Now my luck is 127 million. Dude, I wish my luck was actually like that. Like when I leave it, my luck's gonna be like 7 million. So yeah. I have to. Here's my stuff so far. Oh my god, my total coins is 6 trillion. Holy! I got double jackpot. Double jackpot, and double trillions. Oh wait, jackpot trillion. Oh! Oh my god. Whatever, it's still fine. It's still fine. Red trillion and no big trillion. Oh, come on. This admin abuse is actually insane. Oh my god. But for some reason I got no shinies. I got no shinies somehow. Like why? Oh wait, yeah, we have a shinies. I thought we just got a random one. Oh my god. There's so much. It's gonna be crazy. Even though because I have 100 million more left. And we get coins for it. Oh my god. It's fine, whatever. Oh my god. Oh yeah, it's too big out here. I think we have that already. Wait, I have two cities, yo. Oh my god. This is gonna be a trillion. This is 1 trillion. Oh wait, this is trillion. Oh, this is shady. Guys, we can move to the left 128x. Oh, but 8 seconds. Come on, give us some luck. I want luck. Yes, what? 500 million luck. It's 500 million luck. Oh, wait, we have Clover. I didn't even know. Oh, Jamie. It's Jamie. Come on. There's the luck. The latest. Come on. Yeah, Twix is fine, but, yeah, we take that. I want to kill the shiny. Can I kill the shiny guy? Please? Okay, looks like I can't. Why is he saying AA all the time? It's because I'm free. AA. Probably, it's probably that. Because, yeah. I don't know why, but, okay, but, yeah. Oh my god, I got double. I got double. Imagine if you knew, that would be so good for you. Guys, the last spin. The last spin. And then he's leaving. 32 million, that's love. I wish we could get on more. I wish I had Robux. There's 2.7 billion. Yeah. Okay. Let's see what we have. We have. Oh my god, we just missed the jackpot. Oh, it's huge dice. You know, I could deal with that. I could deal with a huge dice. Oh no, that's very good. And it is really bad. Okay, huge UFO. Okay, below. Come on. Now it's leaving. Goodbye, leaf. Hello, adios, leaf. See you soon. Okay, but yeah. So for fun, let's just do some little stuff. Can I craft some stuff, please? Okay, we got a motto. We got the Melly. So next week with the 07. I'm not here. I'm very excited for here. These Mellies are going to waste. Goodbye to Mellies. Thank you for the food. Next to it for 10 minutes still. Hey, why are you still here? Get out of here, Leaf. Don't want to see you anymore. I said you were gonna leave. So was out. Bye-bye. And here's some magician. I got 2 magicians for only 1 magician. Yo. I think we're good for now, right? Yeah, we're good. More damage would be good, yeah. Yeah, alright, nice. Now let's go back and leave some of my slimes. Okay, first off is this big waxy. Big waxy? Is this a big waxy? Someone cool. Yeah, it's big waxy, alright, nice. Okay. Now we're gonna be the Shadies. Double Shady Lightning. You know what you guys want to do? You guys want to upgrade. Wait, why is this? Oh, wait, I bought. Okay. Oh, you want to upgrade? Fine, I'll upgrade you. I'll upgrade you guys. That's all I'm doing. All I'm doing. That is all I'm doing. Okay, y'all? But yeah, that's the end of the video. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Anyways, we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.